Hello my alien students, welcome back. Hope everyone is doing good. So today we're going to learn something beautiful. Okay, it's actually part 2 of the mechanical drafting course. Today I'm going to teach you some alien tricks. Be ready for takeoff. That is what I always tell. Okay, so what we're going to learn, I'm going to teach you some tricks and I want you to give me the answer, and after some time I'll give you the answer today also. Okay, so I don't want to make 10 parts on the same video. So some alien tricks today. The question is as follows. I'm going to draw some drawing. Okay, just let's say just some lines. Yeah, lines. Okay, something like this. Some mechanical part. Let's keep it like this. I don't want the okay. Okay, so we have one random object like this. We want to make it. Let me just take a picture of this so you will understand what I want to do it. So this is your part. I want to make, let's say, this line which is here. John, if you put blue color we can't see. Okay, this line which is here, okay, we want to make it straight. Okay, second thing, we want this line and this line to be on the same line, in the sense. You got the picture? Okay, second thing, I want this to be fixed. It should not move, nor up nor down. Okay, so let's do it step by step, and then these all should be straight. Okay, in the sense, and equal. Only one condition is here. Okay, yeah, so yeah, something like this. Let me just draw what I wanted to see last. This is your initial, this is your question, right? I think if I was smart I would have taken it like this. This is your question, and your answer should be look like this. Straight. Okay, something like this. Okay, the condition is that you will not be able to use no rotate. Rotate is not allowed. What else do you want? Move is not allowed. If you want to use move, any other thing, tell me what all you're going to use. That all I will tell not allowed. Okay, what else do you, grips? Grips not allowed. Okay, I'm going to teach you something. You just sit back and enjoy. Okay, but I give you some time. I want you to take your time and tell me, John, how would I convert this question to this? This has to be 90 degree without redrawing it actually. Yeah? Okay, I'm just going to modify. I don't know why. Okay, I'm just going to delete this. Okay, I'm going to make it something like this. You get the picture? So what I'm telling is I will delete this, something like this. This is the question. I need to get it something like this. How would I do it? Okay, so first thing was I told I don't want this to be moving, isn't it? I want it to be fixed. This is something called as constraints. If you're a Revit user, you would know what is the meaning of constraint. Anyway, we are not everyone is a Revit student, isn't it? Geometrical constraints. Okay, and then we have coming up dimensional constraints. Okay, first thing is always a good habit to keep this guy fixed. Okay, always keep the fixed guy, or let's say, okay, is this clear? Before that, I tell you one thing. What will happen if I move one of them? Just give me an example. It gets disconnected. How do I make sure they don't get disconnected. Many methods are there. One is join, okay, but I want to keep it still in as a line. Okay, then I will invite you to one of my new friends, or your friends, new friends, called Parametric tab. Okay, can you see the first thing here? It's called coincident. Okay, click that. This is the first. That's why they kept it in sequence. Coincident. Click coincidence. There's a trick here. Okay, I come here. You should see this red dot. If you can see it, then only click. Again, go to the next line. Click. Now you see it became blue in color. Similarly, you will do it for the remaining ones. Be careful. Okay, this is clear. We're not done this. All the points have been coincident. Okay, now what we will do is we will make this. See, what's the beauty of this now? You see? Okay, what I'll do is I'll make this guy horizontal and this guy vertical. Same story. Can you see horizontal, vertical and horizontal? Click this guy. Automatically became horizontal. Okay, and then click vertical. I need this guy to be vertical, and I need this guy to be also vertical. Okay, this happens. So what you do is keep it like this. Don't worry. You will understand what I'm interested. 1 minute. Is this clear? Then what we can do is we can make it parallel. Select the first object as a reference. This has to be parallel. Okay. Now what I told, I want this to move down to this line. This is where you get collinear. Select the reference, this line. Select this guy. This guy goes down. Good. I want this guy to be perpendicular, isn't it? We can say parallel to each other. Make parallel. Oops, sorry. This is parallel is here. This guy will be parallel to this guy. So this guy, very good. Okay, is this clear? And I can make this guy equal to this guy. So because we can have a good length. Let's say equal is here. Beautiful. You just need to make now perpendicular, or make it vertical. This way, make it vertical. Good, no problem. I have not made this guy parallel to this guy. I hope you understand the trick now. Okay, this guy is equal. Okay, no problem. I can make this guy. I have made him equal. So this is called programming. Okay, but I hope you understood, enjoyed this. Now it's become equal. However I move it, it will be always equal. This guy is perpendicular. This guy is perpendicular. Why don't we make it equal also? This guy should be equal to this guy. Beautiful. So you see the straight line. Okay, and I need to make this guy equal to this guy also. Okay, I hope you get it. So we got the drawing which we want to do. So if I ever move this, let's say this way, everything gets updated. If I move this way, this guy is independent. It doesn't have any constraint, isn't it? What we can do is, for this guy, we keep a dimension now for that. We can make this guy parallel, always parallel. Where is parallel? This guy. Or make him always horizontal. No, he is not over constraint. Not equal, parallel. Yeah, this guy has to be parallel to this guy. No, cannot. Okay, Anyway, because this guy is because equal and it's called dimension override. Anyway, I hope everybody understood how I did it. Now in the next class I teach you, or I teach you now itself, how to do. Okay, one more question. I asked you if I don't want to move, this has to be reference fixed. So if I move this, it fixes. It's called lock. So you can't move this. Get it? Anyway, it's nice if you keep playing with it, you will start enjoying this. Okay. Okay. After this, we'll learn how to do dimensioning. Click a point. First constraint this point. D1 is equal to so and so. Don't worry. Okay, I hope this much is clear. Okay, maybe in the next video I show you how to do dimensioning constraints. Okay, hope everybody enjoyed this class. See you in the next class. Bye.